Welcome everyone. Take a deep breath right now. Pause for a second and really feel it. Because most people don't realize something very important. The simple act of breathing, the air moving in and out of your lungs, is the very foundation of your life. And yet, it's one of the most neglected parts of our health, the silent organ we ignore. Your lungs are working for you every single second, day and night, without rest, without complaint. They are constantly filtering the air you breathe, supplying oxygen to your blood, and keeping every cell in your body alive. But here's the truth most people don't think about. Your lungs are also constantly under attack, not just from pollution in the air, but from your daily habits, from your diet, from your environment, from things you don't even notice. The invisible toxins entering your body. Every breath you take carries more than just oxygen. It can carry dust, chemicals, allergens, smoke, toxins. And over time, these substances begin to accumulate inside your lungs. Now here's where it becomes serious. What enters your lungs doesn't stay there. It eventually enters your bloodstream. And once it's in your blood, it travels throughout your entire body, affecting your organs, your immune system, your energy levels, your overall health. Why oxygen is everything. Every tissue in your body depends on oxygen. Your brain needs it to think clearly. Your heart needs it to pump efficiently. Your muscles need it to function properly. Even your cells, the smallest units of your body, rely on oxygen to survive and repair themselves. So imagine this. If your lungs are not functioning properly, if they are filled with toxins, inflammation, or excess mucus, then your body is not getting the oxygen it truly needs. And when that happens, your entire system begins to suffer. Signs your lungs might be struggling. Many people don't even realize their lungs are under stress. Because the signs are subtle at first, you might experience shortness of breath, frequent coughing, chest tightness, low energy, allergies, or constant mucus buildup, and you may think it's just normal, it's just the weather, it's just temporary. But over time, these small signs can develop into bigger problems, the natural way to support your lungs. Now here's the good news. Your body has an incredible ability to heal, but it needs the right support, and nature has already provided powerful tools, medicinal herbs and natural ingredients that can help cleanse, strengthen, and protect your lungs. Today, I'm going to share with you a powerful combination, a simple yet effective natural remedy that can help detoxify your lungs and support your respiratory system. The power of this healing drink. This is not just a tea. This is a combination of ingredients carefully chosen for their healing properties. Each ingredient plays a specific role, and when combined together, they create a powerful synergy, a natural formula, designed to support your lungs from within. Ingredient Air 1, green tea. Let's start with one of the most powerful ingredients. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, but not just any antioxidants. It contains compounds known as catechins. These catechins help protect your lung tissue from damage caused by toxins and harmful substances. They reduce inflammation, support cellular repair, and help your body fight oxidative stress. Think of it as a shield, protecting your lungs from daily damage. Ingredient AB2, lemon. Next, lemon. Simple, yet incredibly powerful. Lemons are loaded with vitamin C, and vitamin C plays a key role in strengthening your immune system.
But that's not all.
Lemon also has natural antiseptic properties, which means it helps fight bacteria inside your body. It prevents excess mucus buildup in your lungs and helps your body respond better to allergens and irritants. The citric acid in lemon works to cleanse and refresh your system, helping your lungs function more efficiently. Ingredient EBOLA3, ginger. Now let's talk about ginger. Ginger has been used for centuries. In traditional medicine, and for good reason, it contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds. It helps improve blood circulation, and most importantly, it helps break down mucus. When your lungs are exposed to irritants, your body produces mucus as a defense mechanism. But too much mucus can make it difficult to breathe. Ginger helps loosen that mucus, making it easier for your body to remove it. Ingredient AB4, mint. Mint is more than just refreshing. It's deeply therapeutic for your respiratory system. Its main component, menthol, Acts as a natural decongestant. It helps open up your airways, reduces swelling in your nasal passages, and allows you to breathe more freely. Mint also acts as an expectorant, meaning it helps clear mucus from your lungs, making breathing easier and more comfortable. Ingredient W5, honey. Now we add honey, natural honey, not processed. Honey has powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties. It soothes the throat, reduces inflammation, and helps calm irritation in your airways. It also helps break down mucus and supports your body's natural healing process. Ingredient W6, cayenne pepper. This might surprise you. Cayenne pepper. It contains capsaicin, a compound known for its healing effects. Capsaicin helps stimulate secretions, which protect your respiratory tract. It supports mucous membrane health and helps your lungs stay clear and functional. The perfect combination. Individually, each of these ingredients is powerful, but together they create something even more effective. A natural blend that detoxifies your lungs, reduces inflammation, breaks down mucus, boosts immunity, improves breathing. How to prepare this healing tea. Now let's bring it all together. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of hot water, 1 green tea bag, half a lemon freshly squeezed, 1 4-to-1, 2 teaspoon ginger powder, or fresh ginger about 1 inch, 1 mint leaf, a pinch of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of natural honey. Preparation steps. Boil your water. Place the green tea bag into your cup. Let it steep for a few minutes. Now squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Take your mint leaf, tear it gently to release its natural oils, and add it to the tea. Add your ginger, then a small pinch of cayenne pepper. Finally, add your honey and stir well. Best time to drink. Timing matters. For best results, drink this tea in the morning on an empty stomach, about 10 to 20 minutes before breakfast. This allows your body to absorb the nutrients more effectively. You can also drink it once or twice more during the day, but ideally, try to consume it when your stomach is relatively empty. What happens when you drink this regularly? When you make this a daily habit, something powerful begins to happen. Your lungs start to clear, your breathing becomes easier, your energy levels improve, your immune system gets stronger, and over time, you may notice fewer respiratory issues, less congestion, and a greater sense of overall well-being. Why this matters today more than ever. In today's world, we are exposed to more toxins than ever before. Polluted air, processed foods, chemicals in our environment. Your lungs are constantly dealing with this burden, so supporting them is no longer optional. It's essential, a gentle reminder. This is a natural remedy. It supports your body. But consistency is key. 1 cup won't change everything overnight, but daily use can create long-term benefits. Final message. Your health is your responsibility. Your lungs are working for you every second. The question is, are you supporting them or ignoring them? Sometimes the simplest habits create the biggest changes. Call to action. If you found this helpful, share it with your friends and family because someone out there might be struggling to breathe better without even realizing why. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And most importantly, take care of yourself, take care of your lungs, and make today a great day.